6.5 diesel. This is a 1995. They're all pretty much the same, just a few changes, except they never really got over the good old PMD, which they put right down in here. So pretty much any 6.5 you will be getting nowadays will already have them moved over to a cooler spot, you know, with cooler fins underneath, just to keep this thing cool, because these wear out and break just like light bulbs. This one said it was replaced in 2016, which is incredible it made it this long. They typically only last 2 years. You can get kits on the internet with new cables and all that. I've seen them on Amazon as cheap as 50, 60 bucks. I don't really trust those, so I went and got a good quality one. One thing I have already noticed is look at how dirty and almost burnt these are. So make sure before you do anything with yours is you clean these connections, because yours still might be good, but go ahead and buy another one just in case. Just in case yours goes out, you're not stranded like a lot of people are. Last video we changed out the fuel shutoff solenoid, which is also another huge culprit on these engines. And now we'll be putting a fresh new PMD. Alright guys, so I went ahead and installed the new PMD. Super simple. What I did was I just made holes through this, and then I'm going to seal those up so no water can get into it. We got our new cord running to make it really long. You could probably even put this in your cab, which would be the best, but this is a time sensitive swap, so make sure this isn't touching anything. Make sure you cleaned it really good. Make sure it's not run on any touching any exhaust parts. Make sure it's all snugged in there good. It should fire right up. Definitely keep your old one just in case your new one has problems, or when it goes out you'll have a backup. And there you go, that's pretty much all you got to do. Make sure this grounding wire is in good shape as well.